Lokhu Mampintsha ngakho bekuyibona ukuthi sathola isikuthi manje inkosi senzele lokho kwakuyikho ngempela la ngoba uhleli wathi mina uthando lwami lusemculweni ngakho-ke ngizokhuluma azange sikuthathe lo ngengento kwakuthi iqiniso kodwa kuthe mase kuqhubeka isikhathi sakhe kwabonakala ngempela umculo ngoba isiqalo sakhe enkonzweni ngoba uwumuntu okhulele ezandleni zabazali bami ugogo wami.
Mampintsha's mother has gotten on people's nerves on social media for her diva tendencies as she keeps on making late grand entrances at her son's services, you guys. It's like she does not want to be there. Yesterday, she arrived at Mampintsha's memorial service late as DJ Tira was giving a speech, and today she did it again, arriving late at Mampintsha's funeral service. Social media users have called her out for her disgusting behavior at her own son's funeral, you guys. Honestly speaking, she needs to grow up. People were saying that after the funeral, Babes Wodumo will probably cut her off her life and Sponge's life, you guys. Now there you have it. Please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.